everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama out here in the lot on a Friday, and I saw this home and I was really drawn to it because I love the color combination of the cream color with the blue shutters. Now I am sorry and sad to tell you that yellow is out for next year, but we are going to replace it with a lighter version of this. So it's not totally gone. We're just pretty much lightening up everything around here, all of the colors and options for next year. It's going to be an exciting time. And when I saw this home, I thought, oh, wow. And then when I walked inside, I saw that it was a Macon. And I was like, dang it, just because the Macon is a fabulous house, but my last video was a Macon. So I'm going to try to throw this later on down the mix. But anyways, for now, I hope everybody had a good Halloween, and we're heading into turkey month. So it's going to get exciting around here. Let's check it out. This is the Macon, 1,152 square feet, 1,153 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And what a great way to see this dark floor. Now, we've seen it a few times, but the cleaners did a really good job on this floor today. So this floor is called Tobacco, and we carry 3 different colors in the linoleum: light, medium, dark, Nordic white to be exact, Thunder is the medium, and this is Tobacco in the dark. In the living room, nice big spacious living room, and it's wide open to this kitchen. Now we're gonna see in the kitchen some of these mixed colors that people were doing. So we've got brown Timberwolf on the cabinets over here and white on the hutch. I don't think that's a bad thing, not over here anyways. And they've got this brick pattern behind it. Also, another thing that's out for next year: no more patterned walls, no more accent walls. We're gonna keep the Casper cashmere on the wall, which is a nice neutral gray, and VOG. And then of course you can drywall most homes, even the single wides, guys. So we've got Glacier quartzite on the countertop. It's a nice, reminds me of like a river rock. And this is a laminate backsplash. So you would take your backsplash up, I don't know, it looks like maybe 4 inches, 4.5 inches to protect the wall from any kind of water. This is the perfect coffee bar right here. Coffee bar, in my case, smoothie bar. I love smoothies. So this is the hutch that is an option with the pleated glass. Also, we've got white cabinets for the uppers with a staggered cabinet up there, a gas stove, microwave over the range. I always try to point out the options so that you guys can see. We actually have a package in this home. I know that because we're seeing Colonial Cove over the windowsills here. And that comes with, I want to say it's package number 2, which would include a nice trim and also a 2x6 exterior wall with the best insulation you can get. Now over here, this is an optional cabinet extension, about $395 if you want to add that in, and I think it's a great idea because it just gives you that extra storage on the cabinet here. Because if you don't, this is cut off, and I don't know about you guys, but I could sure use cabinet space, storage space. It's all very important to me. And a 30-36 window over the sink. You do have the nice corner sink here. And coming into the laundry area, now this is called a reverse aisle, guys. And that means doors on the same side. That's called reverse aisle. So on the second door, you would be walking into the laundry area. Here you're gonna find washer dryer cabinets. And in that package is also a hardwood option. So if you get the package, you get the hardwood with it. So these are hardwood cabinets. And when you have hardwood anywhere, you're gonna have it everywhere. So if you option that out, every cabinet in the house is gonna be hardwood. Heading down this very short hallway, we've got the water heater here. Standard water heater is a 30-gallon electric. You can change that to gas if you like. And you can, that would be in a 40-gallon. Nice, large, spacious bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. And then a very large walk-in closet. And that's always a great thing to have. I would double up the racks there. You guys already know. Coming into the primary bath, we've got an extended vanity with a bank of drawers. And yay for this customer because they did a 14x40 window. And then I was happy to see a garden tub. This is a $767 option. And instead of it being just a smaller tub, you've got room to actually take a nice bath and there you have a rest for your arms on the sides as well. Still gonna have the shower in it, so it's a garden tub / shower, and a great feature if you like to take baths, but you still want to have the ability to take a shower as well. Hi everybody, I hope you have a great weekend. And let's head back to the other end of the home to check out the extra bedrooms. So we've got a split floor plan, meaning bedrooms on both ends. And coming down this hallway is long enough. If it were me, I'd put a 30 by 61 window about halfway down the hallway, or at least put some transom windows up there, let some light in. You won't regret it. Here's bedroom number 2. Let's go ahead and take a peek into the closet so you guys get a good idea of the size of the closets. Bath number 2. It's a little dark in there. That brings me to another point. Put a transom window over that bathtub. That'll really brighten things up there. 3 bulb light strip, that's a standard feature. And then just a single vanity here. And bedroom number 3. Let's take a look at this closet as well. I am so excited to announce that we do have a website up now, www.mobilehomemama.net, so .net. You can go to my website, leave your name and phone number and information, and I will personally give you a call. We can talk about building a house, scheduling an appointment, whatever you need. Even if you're not in my area, leave me a message and I'll find out the closest factory to you. You folks can buy factory direct. That's the way to go. I'm Christina. I'm a personal housing consultant here at Champion Homes. And I'm also the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.